Can you introduce yourself?
I am Michele Merola of TMP Engineering. We are an Italian machine builder that automate assembly and testing process. We are located near to Rome in Casino.
Okay.
And from August, we will open in the US, a local branch in area of Mississippi.
Okay.
Senatobia,
Yeah.
near Memphis,
Yeah.
20 minutes from Memphis. Because from 3 years ago, we work in the US and customer in US. And we transfer some Italian technician in US to support the after sales, and we hope to grow also for the commissioning and the development of the machine directly in the US.
Wonderful. Why should U.S. manufacturers buy from you?
Oh yeah, for high competence in three main sectors, because we are really on three sectors.
Okay.
The first is automotive, the second is electromechanical, and the third is semiconductor industries. In this sector, we have high competence, high skill, because we develop a lot of process in Italy, in Europe, and some customers know our company because know the plant in Italy and ask, oh, who built this machine? Okay, TMP. Okay, come on.
How can anybody watching contact TMP and get more information or buy from you?
Okay. It's possible to contact us from website or in the future we have an operation manager directly in the US, I think between in the next 6 months.
Okay.
Because we transfer before technician.
Yep.
And after the first 6 months we have an operation manager to follow directly the customer in US.
Wonderful. Thank you, Michele.
Thank you. Thank you.